Welcome to Retopo Monkey. I'm going to show you how to bake textures using Zbrush, Maya and Substance Painter. So first of all, we export the A pose, low resolution, and it takes all of the subtools for the first model that we need to export. Then we do an exploded diagram version of the same thing, low resolution, spread all the subtools apart. Then we'll export that as exp _low. Then we do a high resolution version of the same thing. This way it avoids all artifacts and nasty looking marks in the bake. So we just spread everything apart. Just so there's nothing intersecting with each model component. Then we export exp for exploded _low. Then we've got the T pose, the A pose, and the exploded version in low resolution. So we replace the naming with _low with _high. Change the resolution to high. And export the high resolution version of the exploded diagram. Now into Maya. This is the model that we're texturing. This just shows what it looks like in Arnold. So we import the low resolution model, the A pose, and we create one single material, one material set for the whole thing. So we open the hypershade, create one Lambert material, just name it one material, colour it blue, just so it's easy to see. Select everything in the outliner, assign material to selection, delete unused nodes. Export. Do you want to overwrite it? Yes. Import the exploded version. Apply the material in the hypershade. Assign material to selection, delete unused nodes. Export. Low. Then open up the live link, open up Substance Painter, new, 2K, select the A pose, OK, project configuration, select the exploded diagram version of the low resolution, go to baking, add the high resolution, which is the exp _high 2K times 16 on super sampling, ID vertex color to take the FBX color information from Zbrush, adjust the frontal distance so that you have no red marks anywhere on the model. Then bake. Return to paint mode, project configuration, select the A pose again, brings it all back together. Then we delete the layer, so we don't want that one, we want a fill layer. And then apply all the project bakes, adjust the roughness so we don't want it shiny, add the normal, add an AO map, because this is for Unity. Add the AO, test out what it looks like in the render. It's looking okay. Back to paint mode, then we'll add some detail. Fill layer, black mask, add paint layer, we'll add denim to the jeans, add black mask with a paint layer, then we just select the polygons, delete the motif stitching because we don't want that, don't like the white stitching on there. Add leather, add a black mask, add a paint layer, then we'll do the same with the boots. So we select all the components that we want to turn to leather. Then we'll change the colour, so we've got a warmer brown colour. Select the paint layer and then we do the gloves and the belts. Let's have a render and see what it looks like. Back to paint layer, we'll add some wear and tear now. So we add a fill layer, a black mask, and a paint layer again. Choose a nice bright colour just so we can see where we're painting clearly. We adjust the height so that it looks like it's worn. Tone it down a bit. Just want it to look subtle rather than really damaged. And then do the toes. And then we're going to check it under the lighting, so adjust the lighting so that you can see what's going on. You don't want it to be in shadow. And then the jeans look a bit too clean, so if this was a pirate guy, he'd probably have some dirt on his jeans. So we add a fill layer, and the only thing that we want to adjust is the colour, so we add a black mask and a paint layer again. We're just adding some shine to the eyes now. Eye shine. Jeans dirt, so we pick a fairly bright colour. Same again, black mask, paint layer. Choose a brush. Do it fairly bright and then you can see what's going on, and then you can make adjustments to the colour and depth of colour once you've filled it in. So now we can add it and make it look like it's a bit dusty or muddy. Add some red to the skin, because the skin came out pretty well from Zbrush, painting it in Zbrush. It's just it needed some more warm tones in the skin. Normally I'd do red around the cheeks and nose and lips, and then maybe blue tones in the chin if you didn't have a beard in the way, and then a little yellow in the forehead, but I'd already done that in Zbrush, so I don't really need to do it again in Substance. So then we use the plugin, send it to Maya, and this is the rigged model. And we apply that one material, and then it ends up looking like this in the viewport. And then when it's rendered in Arnold, we end up with this as the final render. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for new videos.